welcome to another video. This is Eleni and today I will show you how I create whimsical face profiles. I've tried to figure out a way that works for me, and I'm not saying it is the right one or the best one, but I managed to figure out a way that makes it easier for me. So I thought I should share that with you along with these 3 sketches that you can get as free printables that may help you. So I start by doing an oval that I divide in half, both vertically and horizontally, creating the line for the eye here. Then I divide this part in half, and this will be the nose line. This part I also divide in half, creating the line for the mouth, and I complete this part with the chin line and a line at the top of the head. Now it's time to draw the ear, and it goes here in between the eye line and the nose line like this. Then I put a circle on the nose line for the nose, 2 smaller circles over and under the mouth line for the lips, and a bigger one on the chin line for the chin. And you can see how the mouth circles are half the size of the other 2. I make half of a bigger circle like this for the eye, and I will make a line from one circle to the next, connecting them and creating the outline of the profile. I come from a family with big noses, so I tend to give my girls bigger noses than necessary, but you can play with these features, changing them and see how you like them. Here I draw the nostril and a line for the mouth, and I need to connect the chin with the ear, and I do that by creating this line here and then connect, creating the jawline. I erase the circles and change what I don't like, the pouty lips for example, or the pointy chin. I play with these features to see what I like and to make every girl a little bit different. I put an oval for the eye in the middle of this line, and a sort of triangle for the eyelashes, and another triangle for the eyelid, like this. And the eyebrow goes over the eye like that. Because I started with an oval, the head looks flat here, so I need to make a circle from the ear to the top of the head like this to make it somewhat realistic. And here behind the ear we have one line for the neck, and the other line I put half this distance. Now half this distance I put the hairline that also goes in like this, ending up in front of the ear. And there you have it. Those are the steps that helps me create my face profiles. Hope they are of some assistance to you too. You can see on my previous attempts here that the features are a little bit different on each face. Every girl looks a little bit different, so keep playing with it until you are satisfied with the result. Now I'm going to erase all the lines I don't need, and I will add some lines in the ear so that you can have them as reference in the printable you can download. And here I'm going to show you where I put the shading. Around the eye and in front of the cheek, like this. under the nose, in between the lips and under the mouth, under the chin and the jawline, in the ear and around the hairline. And the highlights I put on the nose, on the forehead, under the eyebrow, over the lips, on the chin, and on the cheekbone. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and hope you got something out of it. I will finish this face off using gouache for the hair, but as you saw I painted the face with soft pastels, so I'm gonna paint one more face profile with watercolors this time because I feel that I need the practice. And it would be great if you also wanted to come along and play with me. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them below. And if you appreciate my videos, there is an easy way to support my channel. You just have to like and comment under them. Subscribe and click the bell to get notifications about my new uploads. Thank you so much for being here. Stay safe and see you soon. Love and kisses.